Howdy there, Francis with the Texas Roadrunner channel here. Now last year, I guess it was September, I went on that Highway 90 road trip, and on day 4 I went and stopped at the Snake Farm Zoo. Yeah, it's what it sounds. It was a pretty interesting little snake farm and zoo. Had both indoor exhibits and outdoor exhibits, and so I thought I would share a more in-depth view of it for you. So if you like snakes, stay tuned. Be scared. Be very, very scared. Well, we made it to the Snake Farm Zoo in New Braunfels, Texas. So how do we get there? Well, if you're in the San Antonio area, take I-35 north to New Braunfels. And then just before you hit the city limits, it'll be on the west side of the freeway. There's the address on the side there. So you go in, you pay for your tickets here, and of course, they have a gift shop. Obviously they have toy snakes here, but they got many other items, mainly for the kids, you know, related to animals and nature. Of course, they have a little bookstore and well, they sell refrigerator magnets. So you know me, I had to get one. Again, more toys. It's a dangerous gift shop, especially if you have little kids. MacLeod from the old Dirty Jobs visited here once. He had to clean up the rattlesnake pit. So let's see the snakes and the reptiles. There's just a panoramic view of all the snake cages and terrariums. We even have an exhibit of the snakes of Texas. Looks mean. We'll leave them sleeping. Another mean one. Some kind of lizard. Like a monitor maybe. This is a big, huge albino anaconda. Not quite sure what they're doing here. Now what was real funny was listening to all the kids giggling up, laughing, acting scared, ooh and all. They were funny. Okay, well there's more to see, especially on the outside. And they let these chickens just running around free. Free-range chickens. They didn't need to be caged up. They had a lot of patio areas for parties. I think someone had a birthday party when I was there. And a petting zoo for the kids. Here's our beloved armadillo. Chickens. Yeah, these cats were being lazy on that day. I think he was wanting some free handouts. Yeah, these cats were lazy too, or maybe they put Ativan in their food. I don't know. Everyone's lazy, even these alligators.
Whatever the air temperature is the same temperature he is. And we're going to let Allie talk a little bit about that. I'm going to say bye, Fred. Alright, Allie here is a little bit bigger. And if you can imagine, she is an American alligator. This is Allie. Now what I was saying is it can get a little bit cold outside, and Allie has to stay warm because she's from North Carolina down to Florida, all the way to East Texas. I'm from Georgia. It gets cold there. We have a lot of alligators, and they don't make alligator sweaters. So she's going to use her little solar plates. These are called osteoplates. Just in case to cut them at the very end. Osteoplates, those are actually bones, and those bones are blood vessels. The sun's going to warm up that bone, the warm bone is going to warm up that blood, and then redistribute through the body, making Allie super warm. Now, sometimes these guys get too hot. They're going to take a swim right there in that water to cool off like we do, or they're going to open up that big old mouth of theirs. Allie, can you open up that big old mouth? Perfect. Allie might not do that today, she's a little sassy, but they're going to open up that big old mouth of theirs. And when they do that, all the heat's going to expand right on out of that body, and they're going to cool down super quick. Now there are a lot of teeth in that mouth. Everybody knows gators have teeth. They're going to go through 2,000 teeth in a lifetime. That's a lot of teeth. When they drop a tooth, they pop one up. And they go through so many because these guys are like 80 to 90 years old on average. The oldest alligator on record is 120 years old. Pretty crazy. Now the last thing about this guy before you get a pet him, Alligators make excellent mothers. Most reptiles do not go lay their eggs. Habit like babies go one way, babies go the other way, never see each other. Alligator mamas, super cool. What they're going to do is they're going to build a nest like a bird where they're going to get mulch and leaves and bark, and they're going to make a nest. Then they're going to lay their eggs in that nest, and they're going to cover it up really gently. And then in about 80 days, we're going to hear this. And what that is, that's the baby alligators that hatched out of their eggs. They're calling for mom. Mom rushes over, uncovers that nest, puts her baby in its mouth, and takes him out to a waterway. Now, the amazing thing about this, she's actually going to stay around those babies for up to a year long, protecting them. Gators are delicious, and a lot of animals disagree. You're going to have possums. You're going to have birds of prey. You're going to have coyotes, turtles, largemouth bass. All of these guys can munch on alligators. So when they feel threats, they're going to call out for mom. And mom's going to rush on through and defend these guys. All right, y'all are more than welcome to pet Allie. I do ask though, one thing.
Well, moving on, we see some big turtles here. And I think this is the conclusion, so I'm going to move on to the next adventure. Well, I'm back again. I hope you enjoyed that. So if you're ever in the San Antonio area and you're just looking for something crazy to do, just drive up north to the Snake Farm Zoo and check out all the critters. Until next time, you guys be safe out there and take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.